First, create a new empty frame with 600 pixels width. Once you created a new empty frame with a white background, add a couple of ellipses. To add ellipse, click O and add a couple of ellipses, like so. Then add a gradient to ellipses. To add a gradient, select ellipse, then click Fill, switch to gradient, switch to radial, and add some colors. Once you added the colors, add a layer blur. To add a layer blur, find Effects section on the right sidebar, add Effect, switch to layer blur, add some blur. Now you have two blurred ellipses, and the next step is to create a couple of new empty frames. So let's add a new frame, 30-30 width, remove fill, and let's lock both rectangles before, then add this frame inside and duplicate it to inside your parent frame, and do it vertically and horizontally. Now, once you have added an empty frames inside, the next step is to add effect glass to each frame. Use these glass settings. It's important to set this value, intensity, around 5%. And this way you will have these beautiful looking glass cubes that you can use in your not only email but any design as you want. So make sure you have select all of them, group inside the group, and lock this group. And now you can place any content over this frame. Let's add some fonts, and then you can create a new email with the plugin. And place it inside. Then run the plugin, click preview, and it will work as a banner. And you can export as HTML email template through Figma email with this beautiful looking glass cubes style. All the links will be in the description. Thank you for watching.